Bro, this. Hit. Did you push up?
Hey, nice go. Hi.
Oh.
Let's go.
What's up, man?
Let's go.
I was so confused. Hit.
How was it?
Terrible.
I believe.
I'm just kidding. Oh, that's a big pole right there. Oh. Move. What? What happened?
You shot me in the knee. I'm so sorry.
Everybody subscribe to my YouTube channel. Azrist, A-Z-R-I-S-T.
Can I see your stick?
It's not on right now, but yeah. Oh no. Yo, don't tell him. Ah! Where's that kid with a grenade? Where's that kid with the grenade?
I have no idea.
Do you have the grenade? Dude, okay.
Yes,
Can you plop it over there?
right there.
No, plop it right over there. Right over there. Right here. Just plop it.
Right over it.
Yeah, here. Just plop it over there. Oh my god! Oh my god, bro.
Hey,
Why?
another one. Hold this.
You have another one?
Yeah, I got it.
All right.